Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today I'm going to bring you a quick first impressions of the Turner Motorsports Catted Downpipe for the BMW N55 platform. All right, let's get it. All right, so this is the box that it came in, which is right here. So let's go ahead and get it open. Also, if you are interested in this product or any products from Turner Motorsports they have to offer, you can definitely call them. I'll put my contact down in the comments below. His name is Shea. Just tell him that James sent you, and he'll be able to hook you up. All right. So I'll get this open. We'll be able to see what's inside. So, got some bubble packages, stuff there, and move this over to the side. It looks like we got the downpipe, and then this box. And then I also got some products, different clamps, nuts, bolts, everything right there. All right, so now right here we have the packaging that we're looking for. So this is the packaging. It's gonna have the bolts, nuts. So we'll just open this up real quick, see what's inside. I did also order a Renline camera mount, which I'll be installing and doing a video on as well. The Renline camera mount, not camera mount, but your phone mount for your car. So I will be installing that as well. That may also be included in this packaging. So we got a packing list right there. Got some nuts, bolts, bunch of stuff right there. This looks like the Renline camera mount, which is right there. Like I said, I'll be installing that also. I keep calling it camera mount, phone mount for your car. So I'll be installing that also, so y'all can see what that looks like. And then it's got some clamps there when you install the downpipe, some nuts and bolts. So all the stuff you need to do the install. So I'll put that back in this packaging because I don't want to lose any of that. So put that back in here. And now let's open this downpipe there, high flow Catted N55 downpipe, as you see right there. So let's go ahead, move this box and get this open here. So cut. Open. One last thing here. Straight up the middle. Alright, nice packaging. Definitely can say the packaging on it is nice. Pull that out. There it goes. Now let's go ahead and get this out the plastic, and I can show y'all very detailed what it looks like and how the welds and everything look. All right, so this is what the downpipe looks like outside of the plastic packaging. So as you can see right there, we got the welds, everything looking pretty good right there with the welds. Go all the way around here for your O2. Mounting pieces right there look pretty good. The cat entry point there. So everything looks good. I mean, I know we'll see how this thing performs once it's on the car. Now the reason why I went the high flow catted downpipe was mainly two reasons. One, I know most people go with a catless, and having a couple buddies with the catless, I noticed the smell and the odor, so I wanted to go with a cat for that. One, and two, is that the tunes and everything I have is from Turner Motorsports, and their stage 3 tune, which is what I'm going for next, is designed to work with this downpipe. So to avoid any of the issues or any of the mixing of products and stuff not working right, I went ahead and decided to go with their Catted downpipe. So that's the reason why I went with that. Right now, I've listed on their website, which I have linked down below, where you can pick up this downpipe. It says it has a max gain of 25 wheel horse, 42 torque. I'm not sure if that's with their tune or not, but even if it's not, that should put me around, because I download 300 and pretty much 360. So 360 plus 26 would put me at 386 wheel horsepower, and then torque, it'll put me at 444 horsepower torque. So that's pretty good numbers with just a downpipe, if those numbers are accurate. And then especially on top of that, if I throw a tune, doing a stage 3 tune, so I should still be around that 400 mark, which is what they quoted on their website. So hopefully I can hit that 400 mark with the downpipe in the stage 3 tune. I hope I can. So that's it for this video. I just want to give y'all a quick unboxing of everything, just let y'all see what it looks like. And stage 3 and downpipe are coming soon. So hope y'all enjoyed this. Like I said, if you are interested in this or any of the Turner Motorsports products, I will have their information down in the section, the comment section below, not comment section, but down in the description below, all their information, and all of Shea's information, in case you want to call up him, ask him about any of these products or any specials or deals they have going on. All right. And remember, when you call there, just tell them James sent you, and they'll hook you up. All right. So that's all I got for y'all today. Follow me on Instagram _what's your forte. Comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that good stuff, man. And I'll holler at y'all later.